Monkey sees beautiful lady. Monkey asks, how many bananas for the evening? Lady says, how much do you value it? Monkey says, 300 bananas. Lady says, too little. Monkey says, 600 bananas. Lady says, now we'll make a deal. Smart monkey says, you with me in my room 2 hours? Monkey gives 1,000 bananas. Lady says, let's go. They go hotel room. Monkey says, wait. Monkey goes to lobby, cashes check. Lady says, hotel doesn't cash check. Monkey says, but this is cashier's check. Lady says, just write it directly to me. Monkey says, this check is 1,400 bananas. We agreed on 1,000 bananas. Lady gives Monkey 400 bananas. Monkey wins both the evening and 400 bananas profit. Smart monkey wins.